Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. This one has 3 stars. It's a regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Thursday, May the 2nd, 2024. And I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So 1 puzzle is left. Yeah, it's time for the Jigsaw Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And the news of today, well, the Russians are using chemical weapons in the war between Russia and Ukraine. Yeah. And I want to mention tomorrow is the first Friday of the month. We have a speed test. So tomorrow we have a speed test. Alright, let's start with this Jigsaw Sudoku number 8468. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, but it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Is this really a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, here, and there. 4 single boxes, well, always a 1, here 1, here 1, here 1, and there 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see only 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, now, next question, do we have here triple boxes? Let me check for triple box. No triple boxes here. How about quadro boxes then? Let me check for quadro boxes. No quadro boxes here. Alright, then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Well, the first shape that you need to recognize is this one. Let me draw this one here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do you have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember. Now this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. The T shape upside down, yes. That box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Okay, the T shape. Do we have more T shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Yeah, here. Rotate it. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shapes, remember that this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So this box has the same number as that box. But so that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. Do we have more shapes of this kind? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? We have not a lot of room. Well, let me draw this here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle with only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Then, let me see. Well, these two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that that box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 in this area could be here, could be there then. Not helping me here. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area from us 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. This one is connected with that box, so 1, 3 and a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area from us 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then 2 numbers left in this area. One was 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. And I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this area. Well, we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those. This one is connected with that box. Should be also 5. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and the 3. Let me... Oh, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and the 3. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. This one is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 number left in this area for number 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 1. I think this box should be a 5. Because give me 1. Give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely. 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 5. Then I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. Yeah. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this S construction. For numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is connected with that box. So 3 and the 4. And I need a 2 here. Yeah, 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I need to wait here. How about there? I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then 3, 3. I need a 4 here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. We go here, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. 1 box left in this area. S construction for number 3. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also for myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.